So to fix this problem, head straight to your phone, then try to scroll the apps to set for settings. Now when you find your settings, just tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on apps and notifications. Then now what you have to do when you get over here is to wait. After loading, you're going to see your apps. Then you tap on it to open it. Then after tapping on it, over here it's also loading, so you have to wait for some while. And after that, you're going to see all your app listed alphabetical form. So what you have to do is to wait. So let's wait. And after waiting, what you have to do is to now scroll down and try to search for your Gmail app. So when you find your Gmail app, just tap on it. Then after that, you wait for it to open. And after loading, after opening, then you tap on permissions. Then make sure every permission is allowed. Go back, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction on other phones. Then you make sure the background data is good on like this. Then after that, you go back and you tap on notifications. When you get over here, make sure the show notification is good on like this as you're seeing, and make sure you turn on every information about this show notification or the notification over here. Then you go back, then you tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK, then tap on permissions as so you have to check it's because it's very important. Then you tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Then after that, you go back, then you tap on you go to your phone and try to tap on what do you call it, Google Play Store. And after that, you tap on open to open, you tap on the search to search for Gmail account. Then after that, you tap on update over here to update your Gmail account. So after updating your Gmail account, what you have to do is to restart your device and you're going to get this problem fixed. So you tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart or reboot, then you tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.